Hello everyone, this is Mike with ShadowTrader, and just looking at the Dixie here, the US dollar index, and I'm observing. I've been looking for an opportunity to short the dollar. The reason I'm fairly bearish the dollar. It's not a real hard position that I have. I'm not a strongly biased that way, but the way this chart has acted over the past number of weeks, we see that we have established a fairly solid clear zone right through here, that the bull run in the dollar tried to break over this, and I would have expected to see a little bit more here, but really it fizzled. And if we look at this closer, we can see that it came through and tested the top of it, tested it, and then fell through, did a hard test from underneath, and then just fell right on back out of that zone. So that feels at least pretty bearish to me. Now we may get a bit of a bounce here, and that's actually what I'm fishing for. If we put a Fibonacci retracement on here, it will have, it will show that it came right down to the 61.8 here. But I'm not overly concerned about this 61.8 producing a whole lot of a run back to the upside, mainly because I would like to see, well, if this whole pattern with the 61.8 was sitting above this line and it pulled a 61.8 and then ran, I would take that seriously. But here I take it with much less weight. It does not deter me from what I'm thinking as far as the overall bearish feel of the US dollar, at least at this time. So the way I've traded the US dollar before is to trade the euro to the long side. If I want to go short the dollar, trade the euro to the long side. And here you can see on the daily scale is the inverse pattern of that zone I just showed you on the Dixie. And what I'm wondering here is, and this is the zone that's very clear in the Dixie, and I'm wondering if this pullback right here might be an opportunity to go long again. I actually went long here and got out here way too soon. I had no idea it was going to blow so hard up through there and keep going. But anyway, it did. But now I'm wondering if I'm having an opportunity, if I'm patient, to wait for it to come back and test this level right through here. Some would even possibly classify this as a kind of after a fashion, pattern here of reversal in inverse head and shoulders. I don't know. That can be debated. But anyhow, I'm interested in going long here at the 107.9, 107.8. I have an alert set here at 107.8 or 9, I think, to let me know to pay attention to this when it comes back down. It would be a easy right in, right out. And again, this is a long trade on the euro, which is obviously a short trade on the dollar. So if anyone's interested, I thought this might have a possibility of a bounce up back up into here, till we can see if there indeed is going to be any further weakness in the dollar. This might be a good way to play it. So thought I'd show that to you, and we'll see you next time.
Hi, my name is Mike with the ShadowTrader SquawkBox. If you enjoyed this video today, please feel free to hit the like and the subscribe buttons below. And if you'd like to trade along with me every day, looking for trade ideas, studying charts together, check out the link below to the ShadowTrader SquawkBox. I wish you good trading, and I'll see you in the room.